Oh, that chocolate went down the wrong way. This week we're talking about Wi-Fi 6, what it is, why it's better, and why you should care. Welcome to yet another 2 Minute Tuesday. What's up, you wonderful people? Thank you so much for watching. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, all of those things. Today we're going to put 2 minutes on the clock, and we're going to try and talk about Wi-Fi 6. Now, have you ever been in a airport, a shopping centre, a public space, a gig, and the Wi-Fi has been crap, like really, really bad? What do we normally do? We normally switch off Wi-Fi, try 4G, see if that's any better. And that's because of some problems inherent within the Wi-Fi, with the wireless standards itself. So Wi-Fi 6 fixes a number of issues with current Wi-Fi. So if I pop this up here, we have a, let's go with a mobile phone, we have a light bulb, and we have, that's a horrible light bulb, and we have a laptop computer. Now we have the wireless access point over here. What we have with current versions of wireless is we have one big motorway, and that motorway is very fast, it's very wide, and with current version of Wi-Fi, when the mobile phone needs to talk to the internet, to the Wi-Fi network, it has to dedicate the entire motorway to that one device. When it's finished, it moves on to the light bulb. To send that small command, it dedicates the entire motorway to that device. And then when again the laptops, when the light bulb's finished and the laptop needs to talk to it, it then uses the entire motorway to talk to it. Now what's been done in newer versions of motorways, what's been done in newer versions of wireless networks, in that they have been able to split the motorways into multiple lanes, and what happens instead is a single lane will be dedicated to each device. So the mobile phone needs to talk to it, we'll get the first lane, the light bulb the second lane, the laptop the third lane. Now what you also have with modern day Wi-Fi networks is you have MIMO, multiple input, multiple output, and that allows you to have multiple aerials and multiple channels. So it does talk to multiple devices, but there is of course only so many physical aerials that you can fit into wireless access points. You get some very horrible devices that have all these weird, funky aerials sticking out of it. They look really, really bizarre. So this is where we are today. We have a very wide, very fast motorway with many lanes that can talk to different devices. But inherently we have the same problem. They are dedicating an entire lane to one device. Now Wi-Fi 6 fixes this by dedicating, just cutting out a small part of the motorway. Small part of the motorway. It dedicates a small part of the motorway, a small part of that lane to each device. So when the mobile phone wants to send a text, it cuts out just enough that it needs to send the text to that mobile phone. When the light bulb needs to turn on the lights, it carves out a even smaller chunk just for that one packet of data to go to the light bulb to turn it on. When the laptop needs to watch a YouTube video, it can dedicate as many lanes and as much traffic as it needs to go to that laptop. Wi-Fi 6 is by far the most technological advancement we've had in Wi-Fi for just so many years, probably since Wi-Fi began. Do you remember 54G wireless? That was a thing. There are a few more features within Wi-Fi 6 that are actually really cool, but way beyond the 2 minutes that we've got today. I will also link to another video by a channel called Network Chuck, who is where I got this idea from, but he goes into much more greater depth and detail. It's about 25 minutes, so I appreciate you probably haven't got 25 minutes to sit there and figure this out. But fundamentally, if you're looking for new wireless networks for your offices, and you're working in a large office environment and there's lots of mobile workers, lots of laptops, then it's highly recommended you look at a Wi-Fi 6 solution, because rather than having to allocate the entire bandwidth to each device one at a time in a queue, you can actually talk in real time to multiple devices, and like I say, it will fix a lot of the issues that you're seeing with wireless performance, and inherently it would seem that it's just slow Wi-Fi, but it's not. It's the actual fundamental background of how it works. Particularly around hospitality, you know, if you are the GS Bowl or the O2 Arena or some larger venues and you have issues with your Wi-Fi, when you have an event on, everyone's crammed in and everyone's just complaining that Wi-Fi is just horrendously slow. Now you can do something about that. You can upgrade to Wi-Fi 6, which is really going to dramatically improve all of your issues you're experiencing with your Wi-Fi. So hopefully that 2 Minute Tuesday was educational for you this time. I felt that we were away in Barcelona and then Paris for the last couple of weeks, that we should do some educational things, teach people how things work and do stuff that's good and IT related. So yeah, if you are interested in looking at a new wireless solution for your business or commercial or hospitality, whatever venue it is, just give us a shout. We're more than happy to help out. So yeah, get in touch. And it is giveaway time. We are well overdue the prize draw of our wireless car charger. So I'm going to go through the comments and just pick someone. And yeah, good luck. So Adrian 220482. I've had one in my Tesla for a year. Tried loads of solutions in the past and this one is the best. Suits the minimalist Tesla interior and charges fast too. Tech Talk Tuesday, a much needed relief from Patch Tuesday. Dan Skidmore. Thank you very much. Yes, I'm glad that I can give you a bit of relief on your Patch Tuesday. So appreciate it. Salman Khan, give me the wireless charger. I need one. Nice video. Thanks, man. James Nelson also commented, fantastic content with the Daily Goat vlog and your reviews. These keep me on LinkedIn. The wireless charger would stand the rapid speed increase in my 1.1 Corsa. So if I'm lucky enough to win, I'd like the charger. Well, awesome. Thanks, James. And I'm honoured that I get treated up with the likes of the Daily Goat. So if you don't know what the Daily Goat is, if you search for that on LinkedIn, I think that is, then yeah, I think they're a marketing company. They create video content every day. Really, really good. We are going to use a random generator to generate myself a name. And the winner of the wireless fast charger for your car, and we'll put in a couple of magnets as well so you can actually stick your phone to the car charger, is Dave Dodge of Dave Dodge Photography. So congratulations, Dave Dodge. Congratulations, Dave. We'll be in touch and we'll sort out a way of getting this to you. And thank you everyone else for entering and for leaving comments. Really appreciate it. But yeah, as always, hit the like button if you did. Subscribe if you're not already. Hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos when we post them onto YouTube. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.